Hey YouTube, I'm coming at you today with another video. I'm doing a tutorial on this current look I have on my beautiful face. And I've had a lot of questions about people asking me how do I do my eyeshadow. So I wanted to do another video to show you something feisty because we all know I'm feisty. But anyway, so if you like this video and you want to see more looks like this, please either like, comment, so I will know to keep doing videos like this. Thank you. Here I'm just setting my eyes with my setting powder. This helps my eyes become really matte, and it's also a good base for me to do my eyeshadow. Here I'm taking my Master Prime primer by Maybelline and just applying this all over my face to help my foundation stay on my face all day. Next, I'm taking my Fit Me foundation in Dewy Smooth in the color Coconut and applying this all over my face. Now I'm applying my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand to highlight underneath my eyes and give me that snatched face, honey. And we all know whatever you apply, you gotta blend it out, honey. So let's get to blending. Now I'm using my LA Pro concealer in the color Cocoa to carve out my nose and my cheeks and my chin and just make everything look real hollow and snatched. Now I'm using my Black Radiance setting powder in the color Banana to set my face and keep everything really matte. I'm using my Black Radiance contour palette and I'm using the darkest shade to contour my cheeks and my nose to make everything look really sharp and snatched. I'm using my Morphe 35B palette and I'm using that pink shade to put in my crease to start this beautiful eyeshadow look. Now I'm just packing that shade in and blending it out as I go. I think that's the major key to eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking my same 35B Morphe palette and I'm using that purple shade to also put in my crease to give this look a darker, deeper feel. Now I'm going back in with that pink shade because I lost some of it adding the purple. So I'm just going to reapply that to try to blend out the purple and give more of a blend. Next, I'm taking the darkest purple and mixing it with a little black to put in my crease, to give my crease a little bit more depth, so when I cut the crease you can tell, you know, the blend that I'm going for. Now I'm just blending out the purple and the black so it's not too harsh. I want it to be a smooth gradient transition over the cut crease. Here we're taking that same Tarte Shape concealer in the color Tan Sand and we're going to carve out our cut crease. It's a process, but child, it's worth it. Now I'm taking that light pink shimmery shade from the 35B palette and I'm applying that all over my lid. Well, not all over, but majority of my lid. Now I'm taking that purple that I used earlier out of the 35B palette and I'm applying that to the outer corner of my lid to give it more depth. Now I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue. I'm applying this all over that light pink shade because I definitely want to add some glitter. I definitely want to make this look a little bit more spicy and a little bit more, you know, Fleekbynique, okay? just using the Jumbo NYX Milk Pencil to put in my waterline. I just wanted to make my eye look more extended, you know, and bigger, child. Child, you can't forget to add the bottom mascara. I'm just using my Essence I Love Extreme mascara. It's pretty good and it's only $4.99. Now I'm going in with that pink shade from the Contour and Blush Kit by BH Cosmetics. I just want to give myself like a high school, you know, my mother just bought me some blush type of feel, you know. Here I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, child. You can't forget to spray, honey. You gotta look matte. Now I'm using my favorite highlighter. Okay, this is the Tourmaline in the Anastasia Glow Kit. I love this glow kit, y'all, and it's only $40. I mean, child, look at this highlight though. Okay. Here I'm just using a plain old brown Wet n Wild liner to line my lips. Just, you know, to make everything look a little bigger, you know, give that illusion of them Kylie Jenner lips, child. Since I was feeling myself extra hard, I just added a little bit of that pink glitter to my lips. Okay, it's only right. I'm a Leo, okay? And this is the final look, you guys. So if you like this look, please like and subscribe so I'll know to keep doing looks like these. Thank you for watching.